Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 6 super quick and easy tips to refresh your makeup look. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be using a facial oil. Using a facial oil really helps refresh the look of your skin and give you a brighter luminosity. I'm using the Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate here, which is really nice and light and really helps the skin look more luminous no matter what foundation you put on top of it. If you have super duper oily skin, I would not recommend this step, but using an oil instead of primer is just going to make your skin shine and look a little bit more refreshed throughout the day. Secondly, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes, which I don't do every day, but really helps make you look more awake and alive. It really opens up the eyes, and this is a great trick of something to do on days when you're not wearing any makeup at all. Just curling the lashes makes your eyes look more open, and you just look a little bit more vibrant. Next, I'm putting on my foundation, and you can mix in a little bit more of the facial oil if you want, but since I'm oily, I'm just going to go ahead and put the foundation directly on top without mixing in any more oil. But if you have super dry skin, then definitely put a little bit more oil in there, and you can mix it together. And here's the finished base. The skin is looking really luminous and refreshed. Moving on to concealer, I typically just use a concealer like this that's slightly lighter than my skin tone and is just a fleshy tone, but I'm going to also use this YSL Super Bougie concealer as well, and this is a pinky toned concealer. Adding a pinky concealer will really help refresh your makeup look because the pink concealer helps to counter out any dark circles and just brighten the under eye. A more yellow concealer can make you look a little bit more drab and sick. As you can see, my under eyes are looking very bright and refreshed, and that pinky tone just kind of helped brighten the whole look up. My fourth tip on refreshing your look is applying an inner corner highlight, and this is the Vanilla Pigment by MAC, which is super shiny, and I'm just taking this on a dense shader brush and putting it into the corner of my eye, which again is going to make you look very awake and bright. This blush here is a light pinky blush that I would apply on an everyday basis, but I'm not going to use it today. Instead, I'm going to go for the super bright Osmosis blush. And as you can see, this is a super bright pink and looks a little scary, like it might be too bright, but it's going to look great. Applying this directly to the apples of your cheeks really brightens up the face and makes you look a lot more youthful. And having a brighter blush just really brings some extra healthy glow to the skin and makes you look really refreshed and awake and healthy and young. The final tip is to ditch the liquid lipstick. Something like this is going to make you look all dried out and a little drab, and go for something like this super shiny gloss. A glossy lip is going to make you look a lot more hydrated and healthy and refreshed, which is the look we're going for. And that's it for the 6 quick and easy tips to help your makeup look more refreshed. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this makeup look. As always, all the products I mentioned will be listed down below. Please subscribe as well if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching.